Yes, sir.
Mhm. Any question concerning that?
No, sir.
Okay, good. So let's talk about design. You see, when it comes to building an app, yeah, the design has to be very, very good. Because you've just started, we've not been too harsh on the design. And when I talk about design, I'm talking about your color combinations, your choice of colors, the way you arrange your text on the screen or other components. So that's what I'm talking about when I say design. So we've not been too harsh on design, but at this point now, we need to start taking it more seriously. So that's why we're going to be learning about elements of design. So you're going to learn how to select the proper choice of colors for your app. And then you're going to also learn how to like create visually appealing designs that users will want to use. You know, if you build an app now, in this modern day tech market, there's a lot of competition. Let's say you build an app, okay, just like the timer app that I just built now, the what is it called? What's the name of the app?
Health quiz app.
Okay, and let's say this health quiz app now. There might be other many different health quiz apps out there. So there might be many different health quiz apps out there, and then users have a choice to like download whichever one they want to use. So you have to give them a reason to be like, okay, my app is actually the best for you to use. And to do that, design is actually one of the most important ways that you can portray, that you can give users an impression that you have a pretty standard app for them and you have something good to offer them. So that's why we are going to be talking about designs now. So when it comes to designing your app, there are certain rules and principles that you have to follow. When it comes to I mean things like arrangements. We've talked about arrangements. Can you tell me the two types of arrangements that we have? We have actually more than two, but can you just tell me two?
Is it horizontal and
Arrangements,
vertical?
components. Okay, yes, good. Horizontal and vertical arrangements. So when do you use horizontal? When do you use vertical? And how do you use these components? So now in design, right, there are many different aspects. One is the color. So we are still going to talk about color theory, how you can mix colors together properly. And then we are still going to see how you can properly select a very good and matching color combination for your app. So besides color, we have text, okay? And we have shapes, we have lines, forms, and many other things like that. But let's talk about text now. What component do you use to add text to your app?
Text label.
Good label. So now you're going to notice that sometimes I do tell you that make this text bold, right? Make it bigger or make this smaller. So you've not asked why does this one have to be bigger and smaller? It's because of what we call emphasis. Sometimes in your app you have to there are some things there's some places where you have to lay more emphasis on. Those are important things like headings, table headings, your app name, things like that. They have to be big enough and bold. Do you get? So you can't say you want to use a 14 size text for a heading. It's way too small. It has to be bigger and bolder. So I have a video here that explains better about elements of design. So does YouTube work on your computer?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, let me send the link. So I'm going to let you watch the video. Then you should take notes. I'm going to ask you questions after. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.